In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up form submission notifications in HubSpot. By the end, you'll have email alerts going to the right people the moment someone fills out your form. First, head to the HubSpot website, sign in, and open your HubSpot dashboard. This is your home base for everything we'll do today. Next, we'll navigate to your forms. From the top menu, hover over or click Marketing, then choose Forms. This brings up a list of all the forms in your account, so you can quickly find the one you want to manage. If you have a lot of forms, use the search bar or filters to zero in on the right one. Open the form editor by locating the form you want to work with, clicking its name, and selecting Edit. That takes you into the form builder, where you'd normally adjust fields and styling. Today, though, we're heading straight to the settings that control notifications. In the form editor, look for the Options tab and click it. Inside Options, find the Notifications section. This is where you tell HubSpot who should be alerted when someone submits the form. Now add your recipients. In the field labeled Send Submission Notifications to, type the email addresses of the teammates who need to be notified. Separate multiple addresses with commas. Keep your list focused on the people who actually act on leads or support requests to avoid inbox noise. If your organization uses distribution lists, make sure they accept external messages and that anyone on the list expects these alerts. It's also a good idea to confirm spelling and use business emails rather than personal accounts to keep things compliant and organized. Once the recipients look good, save your changes. Click Save or Update depending on what you see. As soon as you save, the notification settings are applied to that form. Finally, let's test to make sure everything works. Go to the live version of your form on your website, submit a quick test entry, and then check the inboxes you added. You should receive a form submission notification within a minute. If it doesn't arrive, look in your spam or promotions folder, confirm the email addresses in the notification field, and make sure you save the changes. Submitting from a private browsing window can help you see the form exactly as a visitor would. That's it. You logged in, opened forms, edited your form, set notification recipients under options, saved and verified it with a test submission. You're all set to respond faster and never miss a submission again.